Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss chromosome and DNA MCQs. But first, histones have an abundance of amino acid. Option A, valine and lysine. Option B, arginine and lysine. Option C, valine and arginine. Option D, histidine and threonine. Correct option is B, arginine and lysine. Chromosomes are composed of option A 40% protein and 60% DNA, B 50% protein and 50% DNA, C 70% protein and 30% DNA, option D 60% protein and 40% DNA. Correct option is D 60% protein and 40% DNA. A typical human chromosome contains dash nucleotides in its DNA. Option A 240 million, B 140 million, C 150 million, option D 160 million. Correct option is B 140 million. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Ali Technologist. A torsion of chromatin that is condensed only during cell division is option A euchromatin, B heterochromatin, C bichromatin, D nucleochromatin. Correct option is A euchromatin. Transfer of genetic material from one cell to another that can alter the genetic makeup of the recipient cell is called option A mutation, B transduction, C replication, D variation. Correct option is B transduction. Who discovered DNA? Option A P. Allen, B Frederick Griffith, C Frederick Misher, option D Rosalind Franklin. Correct option is B Frederick Griffith. DNA contain option A purines, A and D pyrimidine, uracil and cytosine. Option B purines, thymine and cytosine, pyrimidine, adenine and guanine. Purines, adenine and cytosine, pyrimidine, uracil and guanine. Option D purine, adenine and guanine, pyrimidine, thymine and cytosine. Correct option is D purine, adenine and guanine, pyrimidine, thymine and cytosine. And DNA, option A forms two bonds with thymine, adenine forms two bonds with thymine, option B guanine forms three bonds with cytosine, option C adenine forms three bonds with thymine, option D both A and B is corrected answer. Histones have an abundance of amino acids. Option A valine and lysine, B arginine and lysine, C valine and arginine, D histidine and threonine. Correct option is B arginine and lysine. DNA has a helical shape with a diameter of option A 3 nanometer, B 4 nanometer, C 2 nanometer, D 5 nanometer. Correct option is C 2 nanometer. In semi-conservative replication, option A The sequence of original duplex is conserved after one round of replication. Option B. Generate DNA copies of entirely new molecules. Option C. Paternal DNA becomes completely dispersed. Option D. Each strand of daughter molecule will be a mixture of old and new. Correct option is A. The sequence of original duplex is conserved after one round of replication. The true E. coli replicating enzyme is option A. DNA polymerase 1, B. DNA polymerase 2, C. DNA polymerase 3. Option D. All of the above. Correct option is C. DNA polymerase 3. Replication always proceeds in a direction. Option A. 3' to 5'. Option B. 5' to 3'. C. Both directions. Option D. None of these. Correct option is B. 5' to 3'. The rate of DNA replication by DNA polymerase is option A. 2000 nucleotides per second, B. 1000 nucleotides per second, C. 150 nucleotides per second, D. 1050 nucleotides per second. Correct option is B. 1000 nucleotides per second. The length of the Okazaki fragments in eukaryotes is option A. 150 to 250 nucleotides long, B. 200 to 300 nucleotides, C. 1000 to 2000 nucleotides, D. 100 to 200 nucleotides. Correct option is D. 100 to 200 nucleotides. The sequence of nucleotides that determines the amino acid sequence of a protein is option A. Chromosome, B. DNA, C. RNA, D. Gene. Correct option is D. Gene. Central dogma is option A. Transfer of information from DNA to mRNA, B. The basic mechanism of reading and expressing genes, option C. Transfer of information from RNA to protein, option D. Synthesis of all three types of RNA. Correct option is B. The basic mechanism of reading and expressing genes. A chromosome is made of option A. 2 chromatide plus 1 centromere plus secondary constriction. Option B. 1 chromatids plus 1 centromere plus primary constriction. Option C. 2 chromatid plus 1 centromere plus primary constriction. Option D. 2 chromatid plus 2 centromere plus secondary constriction. Correct option is A. 2 chromatids plus 1 centromere plus secondary constriction. Who discovered DNA? Option A. Rosalind Franklin. Option B. Frederick Griffith. Option C. Frederick Messer. Correct option is B. Frederick Griffith. Thank you for watching my videos.